When a gaming mouse weighs less than 2 AA batteries but still delivers pro-level performance, you know something special is happening in the world of gaming peripherals. Today we're diving deep into the Pulsar X2, a mouse that's been making waves in the competitive gaming scene for all the right reasons. The lightweight gaming mouse revolution has been building for years, but finding that perfect balance between weight reduction and build quality has been the holy grail for manufacturers. Pulsar, a relatively newer player in the gaming peripheral space, decided to tackle this challenge head-on with their X2 series. What makes this mouse particularly interesting isn't just its featherweight design, but how they've managed to achieve it without compromising on the features that serious gamers actually care about. Let's start with what immediately strikes you when you first pick up the Pulsar X2. It's almost shockingly light at just 52 grams. To put that in perspective, most traditional gaming mice weigh between 80 to 120 grams. This isn't just a marketing gimmick either. When you're gaming for hours at a time, especially in fast-paced competitive scenarios, that weight reduction translates to less fatigue and more precise movements. Your wrist and forearm will thank you during those marathon gaming sessions. The secret behind this weight reduction lies in Pulsar's approach to the shell design. Instead of simply drilling holes like Swiss cheese, which was a common early approach to lightweight mice, Pulsar uses a honeycomb pattern that's been strategically engineered. The holes are large enough to provide meaningful weight reduction but small enough that dust accumulation isn't a major concern. More importantly, the structural integrity remains intact. I've been testing this mouse extensively, and despite its lightweight construction, it feels solid and durable in hand. The shape itself deserves special attention because Pulsar didn't just create one-size-fits-all solution. The X2 comes in multiple size variants, mini, medium, and large, acknowledging that hand size and grip style significantly impact gaming performance. The medium version I've been using features an ergonomic right-handed design that works exceptionally well for both palm and claw grip styles. The hump placement is perfectly positioned to support your palm without forcing an unnatural hand position. Under the hood, the X2 packs the PAW3395 sensor, which is essentially a customized version of the highly regarded PAW3370. This sensor delivers up to 26,000 dpi, though realistically, most gamers will never need anywhere near that level of sensitivity. What's more important is the sensor's tracking accuracy and consistency, and here the X2 excels. I've tested it across various surfaces, from cloth pads to hard surfaces, and the tracking remains precise and predictable. There's no acceleration, no smoothing, just pure one-to-one tracking that competitive gamers demand. The click experience is another area where Pulsar has clearly invested significant engineering effort. They're using TTC Gold dustproof switches rated for 80 million clicks. These switches provide a satisfying tactile response that's crisp without being overly loud. The actuation force is well balanced, light enough for rapid clicking but heavy enough to prevent accidental activations during intense gaming moments. The scroll wheel uses the same attention to detail, with defined steps that make weapon switching in games feel precise and deliberate. Connectivity options reflect modern gaming needs perfectly. You get both wired and wireless functionality in one package. The wireless connection uses a 4K Hz polling rate dongle, which means your inputs are being transmitted to your computer 4,000 times per second. For context, most wireless mice operate at 1,000 Hz, so this represents a significant improvement in input lag reduction. The difference might seem negligible on paper, but in competitive gaming scenarios where milliseconds matter, every advantage counts. Battery life is often the Achilles heel of high-performance wireless mice, but Pulsar has managed to achieve roughly 100 hours of continuous use. That's genuinely impressive considering the high polling rate and lightweight design constraints. The charging is handled through a flexible paracord-style USB-C cable that doubles as a wired connection option. This cable deserves special mention because it's incredibly lightweight and flexible, eliminating the cable drag that can negatively impact mouse movement. One aspect that sets the X2 apart from many competitors is the build quality consistency. Lightweight mice often suffer from quality control issues, button wobble, creaking, or inconsistent click feel. After several months of heavy use, my X2 shows no signs of these common problems. The main buttons have zero pre- or post-travel, the side buttons are perfectly positioned and responsive, and the overall construction feels like it could handle years of intense gaming. The software experience through Pulsar's configuration tool is refreshingly straightforward. You can adjust DPI settings, polling rates, debounce time, and create custom profiles without dealing with bloated software that tries to do everything. Sometimes simplicity is exactly what you need, and Pulsar's approach here is spot on. Price positioning is another strength of the Pulsar X2. While it's not budget-friendly, it's competitively priced against other high-end lightweight mice from established brands, often coming in slightly lower while offering comparable or superior performance specifications. The Pulsar X2 represents what happens when a company focuses intensely on the fundamentals that actually matter to serious gamers. It's lightweight without feeling cheap, feature-rich without being complicated, and performance-focused without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're grinding ranked matches or just want a premium gaming experience, this mouse delivers on its promises in ways that genuinely impact your gaming performance. If you found this deep dive helpful and want more detailed reviews of gaming gear that actually makes a difference, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Your next gaming upgrade might be just one video away.